When we purchased the house a little over a decade ago, we knew that it had problems, but we wanted to turn this piece of property into our dream home. We tried to ignore the problem as long as we could. After 3 kids, and as life goes on, the floors began to bounce. I've had a pretty traumatic contractor experience in years past, so I went into this project with a lot of fear. When I met Shane, he took the time. He was willing to sit down and walk through what exactly the problems were, so I was clear on what we were going to have going forward. We actually had to divide our project up into 2 phases because of the issues that were known and discovered. I was really impressed by Shane's professionalism and willingness to take the time, and we spent hours together on 2 different occasions. Working with him and through the problem, we could actually see a solution. And to see it happen in the way he described it, and the guarantees that you offer and the warranty provided, I could see the quality in their decisions. I could stand on the number because I knew what I was getting. And that level of comfort was earned. Tremaine was a great crew lead. If I could have 10 of him, I'd start my own company. He was given a challenging project, and from the get-go, he put me at ease, understanding step by step, was able to walk me through and provide options, not compromises in quality. And what was awesome about Tremaine was that he discovered several issues that were unknown until he got in the house. If he wouldn't have told me, I wouldn't have known. It created more time and more work, but he did it. Absolutely outstanding communication. I trusted the crew with my kids. I don't trust them with anyone, right? But their character, their conviction, just who they were, put me at ease and my family, and it was an outstanding experience. You set yourself apart from the moment that we talked. You didn't make promises. You came to find out what the problem was and offered solutions, and you stood behind that. And to watch the project unfold and the choice of materials and workmanship, that level is exceptional. You'll find me happily jumping around my house now because the house is now leveled. The floors are firm and stable. They're resting on a new foundation, new galvanized steel beams. The problem is finally fixed. That peace of mind took a nightmare and now really helping my family with a dream come true. And that fear or that fright has left me. There's peace now. I would recommend American Waterworks for your project.